Go.
Morning. Today on this frosty Alberta day, we're going to show you how to put one of these integrity plugs in place properly installed. Inside there's a little template. Place it on the pipe where you like it and just scribe around the outside as so. A little handy being ambidextrous. Once that's been done, now you can cut it out. You want to try to be precise to ensure a proper fit. This is a cooking show. I'd have one already ready for you. There we go. That's step 2. So now I'm going to cut the insulation out. It's our next step here. Right now, when you're cutting the insulation, you want to make sure the type of heat tracing that's in it. This type you don't have to worry too much about. It's not easily punctured. But you still want to take care. And should come out fairly easy.
No.
Put it back in. Yeah. Alright, so this is all ready for them. Listed. As well for looks. Okay, now would you pause it for a second?
Leave that in.
Leave it in?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have more or less shaped. Just going to make sure it's going to fit to the cut. Might have to do a little bit of adjusting. I think I am here. Make it just a hair bigger. Cutting about 1/8 more out. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. Looking right. For the specs of the job we're on right now, it needs to be 100% caulked. So I'm going to lay a bead around this edge to make sure it's sealed. Okay. Now, just to get a screw ready. Once again, place it where you want it to be. Making sure everything's where it should be. One screw there. I like to hold her in place, especially with the caulking so it doesn't get messy. Make sure it's in there properly. So far so good. Come back to that one. Glad it went on nice and easy. Figured this would be more than a one take show. Hey, you bugger. Well, see, that's what happens when you speak like that. It's right on the bead. Still got its integrity, so that's important. Go where I want you, will you? There we go. This? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, I was counting the screws there. All right. This one, the tab comes with a washer. So you don't want to put it straight in like that. You want to give this some play. So back it off. Maybe an inch from the other one. And voila. There we go. Now to finish this for this site and this application, I'm going to caulk around the edges to ensure that it's fully sealed. Make sure that no water can get in there. sure that it's sealed. Good luck. And that'd be her. Excellent. We have your installed functioning plug.